Oh, what is up, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. M5 is back once again from the collision shop, man. I hope it don't have to go anymore, y'all. Look at the dome. Where did it go? Ain't no more dent. No, I'm so lit, y'all. I'm so happy the freaking car is back, bro. And it didn't even take long, honestly. It took maybe like a week or two. I don't really know because I was busy doing other things that I had going on. And I am so freaking excited, bro. Like, wait. Whoa. What the fuck? Yo, what? Is this paint? Nah. Please tell me this is just like overlapping paint, bro. Oh, okay. It's from the tape. All right. Okay, it's tape. It's tape. Oh, y'all, I was about to be sick. I ain't gonna lie, I was about to be sick. Why would they leave? Bro, the shops in Georgia are like, just not it, bro. The auto shops, the collision shops, maybe it's the people I'm going to that's just not it, bro. Why would they leave a freaking tape on here? Oh, hey, y'all, I almost cried, I ain't gonna lie, because I was just super hyped. But this here is very ghetto. As y'all can see, man, people just, I don't know. I don't know. I ain't gonna get too much into it. Anyway, man, look at the freaking whip. This thing looks so freaking clean, bro. I got the wheels refinished. We got the dent fence. And I know I told y'all, the next upload, I'm gonna have this fixed right here. It's not fixed. Are you surprised? No. Do I care? No. But it's gonna be all right because everything's gonna get fixed. You either gonna trust the process, you gonna stay down and watch me come up, or you either gonna come back when I'm already up and then it's like, I don't really care. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, man, the whip is just looking fire, bro. I'm about to go get, I'm gonna see if I can find some thin 3M tape so I can put my spoiler back on, because y'all know I haven't had the spoiler on the car in a minute. I was just trying to really be different, really trying to just switch it up. So I took the whole spoiler off, and I do like this look. I love it, but it's time to get back to the carbon Tez, like prime time Tez with the carbon on a freaking trunk. And my new carbon lip is here. But I don't want to install it yet until I can sand the bottom of the bumper down, because the bottom of the bumper has, like, from the holes, oh, you can see it right here, from the holes and stuff, like whatever that's like, it's just 3M tape. It's a whole bunch of stuff on the bottom that I need to get off, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm not doing that today. As you can count that dead and over with. But I'm so happy to freaking have the M5 back, y'all. I'm gonna drop a little video for y'all today, so pretty much enjoy the video. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, and let's get into it.
And I got money buried in the ground just for a rainy day. $1 million in all jewelry, nigga. I'm one chain away. Think you slick, but you ain't slick. Can't finesse a real finesse. Bitch, my pockets bustin', they like nuts.
Also, if y'all know where I can get another Roundel to match the anniversary ones, let me know, man. Because I tried to take the one off my old hood, but it doesn't fit because this one doesn't have the cutouts for the thingies. So if y'all know, man, let me know so I can get a new one. Also, peep the vents through the hood, man. You can see the whole engine, boy. The engine poking through that thing, boy. Man, I'm sorry, y'all, but let's go ahead. Let's get into this video. Y'all, I think I just spotted the first. Oh my goodness, that's a ZR1. Holy cow. Yo, we made it to Best Buy. MFeezy looking crazy as always. Yo, peep the fit, bro. Look at what I'm wearing. Y'all probably already saw it, but look at what I'm like. I came out the house in some Grinch pajamas today, bro. All right, we're just here for a storage drive. I'm not trying to leave with nothing else. No promises though.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Measly dollars, bro. I'm not gonna show y'all what I bought, but just mind your business, okay? We did get the external hard drive that I needed, but I'm not showing y'all the rest because I shouldn't have bought it. But oh my goodness, this thing looking so clean, man. Let's get some pulls in. You already know what we doing. Big Sport Plus. Gotta hit the. Bro, no socks. Bro, I am outside looking devious right now. I'm gonna turn off this too, I ain't gonna lie. Boom, screen off. Y'all can't snitch on me for my speed. Oh. Oh my goodness. Hey, this thing be ready to go. no blinkers because I'm in a BMW. Oh my goodness. Come on, old man. Dang, somebody got pulled over down there. Look at. Oh, wait. Better them than me. Better them than me, boy. Dang, I could have made that. Bro, I'm not even on my side of town, but I had to come here on this side because they the only people who had the hard drive. I want it. Oh, wait. Hey, I need an AP on my wrist. What y'all think? Actually, you know what I want, bro? My dream watch is a richer Millie, bro. I need a richer. I was supposed to go the other way. Put on my seatbelt. Hold on. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa. Wait a second now. Just trying to put on the seatbelt. I should have did it before I pulled off. Always wear y'all seatbelt, y'all, for safety. Yeah, hey, my wrist with a Richard Millie on there driving, crazy. Oh yeah. Good little opening. Oh yeah. Also, I got some detail products from Goon Squad Garage because I was trying to win the Hellcat and Trackhawk. Obviously, I didn't win, but I did get good things out of it. I got a foam cannon and I got some spray and all that other stuff. Bro, this car just... Oh, hold on. Under the tunnel, though? Ooh-wee. Oh-wee. Bro, why the police camping everywhere today? They not playing fair. They are out here to get you today, y'all. Make sure you on that. But I do got to answer this call real quick because I am getting a call. So give me 1 second. I'm going to cut the camera back on. All right, y'all. Can you win? Everything attached to me win. Yes, sir. Let me go ahead. Oh, my goodness. Them boys is out today, bro. I need to get back to my side of town. This is becoming ridiculous, man. Too many po-po for your baby, bro. Too many po-po for your baby. And they rolling deep too, bro. What's going on? I could take this way back to the house though. Hey, if you know, you know. You take the back road because I really need to go back the other way on the highway. But they rolling too deep. I'm glad. And I almost got on that way too because I was about to go that way. But I remember I saw somebody getting pulled over that way and I was like, bro, no, sir. Not happening. Pull. I'm just talking. You should do a pull, bro. That's all y'all want to hear anyway. It's a car. All right, y'all. Do not ask how many days it's been that I've been trying to wash this car, but it's been a lot of days. I got my little Goon Squad soap in the bucket. I need to get a better wash setup, but it's got to do for now. We got the pressure washer. We got the Goon Squad products. I really am excited to try this wheel cleaner because really, bro, I don't have any, I don't know what's the best wheel cleaner, but I'm hoping this is good. We'll see. I don't know. So let's see what it's doing though. Let's see if it's actually, should I wet well, I did the water on the wheel already, but oh, it's off. Hold on, twin. We gotta turn it up. Stream. Spray. Off. Stream. I think I want to do it as spray. Oh yeah, there you go. Talking about something right now. I be seeing Goon Squad use this, man, and they wheels be looking too clean. So I'm hoping I get the same results that they get. I'm giving it a generous amount. I'm gonna let it sit for a little second. We gonna see what it do. All right, y'all, that's like after a little scrub and rinse. It actually does not look bad, like compared to what the other wheel cleaners will look like. So pretty good. But as y'all can see, the M5 is dirty, so let's get into washing this thing. Y'all, the Goon Squad foam cannon got this thing looking freaking insane. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, cleaned up the X4. Also cleaned up the M5, man, and it cleaned up super freaking well. Goon Squad products, bro. Definitely probably the best I've used thus far. But M5 looking clean, X4 looking clean. That's probably gonna be it for this video. I know this was not like the best video and all that, but hey, trust me, I have so much coming for this car. I just have to work. You know what I'm saying? We have to work to invest in the car because nothing comes free in life. So I have to go to work to put money into this car and do everything I want to do to it. I promise y'all I am cooking up something good. I need y'all to stay tuned. I need y'all to mess with me. I need y'all to like the video. I need y'all to comment, get my engagement up, man. Let's run it up. I appreciate all y'all. Peace.